This is the game hoist from TikTok in action. This doe is about 80 pounds, and you saw that it handled her perfectly. But what people were asking is, once you get the deer hung and begin to pull on the hide, how well does that hold up? And that's really all I'm going to show you after this, because I don't think there's a need to show the whole process of skinning this deer. All right, we're at that point. I'm going to pull down on the hide now. No problem at all. Well, you saw it for yourself. It worked great. No problems at all. And once you're finished, all you have to do is put the deer back in the truck, swing it around, and it makes it so much easier. I'm telling you. Now we can easily haul this carcass off. You wanted this video, now you got it. That's exactly how this game hoist performs. I think it did a fantastic job. Thanks for watching.